morning. I want car like that. That's awesome. That Mercedes-Benz, like four-wheel, all-terrain drive with awesome LED like. Yeah, that's just awesome. It feels nice to have radio station. We have a city antenna or something. I poked a new one, but still it almost never works here. It's so steady, calm waters and a lot of boats over there. I want to go subboarding with my wetsuit, but I'm not sure. There was like big fallout back there and there's a tunnel under the road which I can go. But I don't know, it's like plus 13 or 15 degrees. It's almost getting some sunlight. Finally, a lot of rain on this trip. So I don't know. I want to go, but I'm not sure. I'm scared. I never try vegan meat slices on bread before, but they are actually pretty good. This spot is a missed opportunity. It's like lay fat. You don't need even the underwheel thing is to get it steady, and it's like clear water both sides, and it's kind of like a little island. And there are even trash bins over there and pens, and it's just amazing spot. But we have like 1 hour to drive our spot, and we just ate and put our support away and stuff like that. So we are carry on over there. But the sun is setting behind me and perfect place to time lapse, and oh my god, I want to stay here, but I want to go to the next stop, which is 1 hour. For us it's probably 2, and it's 8 p.m. so it's our normal time to rest. I need to think about this just a little moment, but I think I will go on to the stop where we're supposed to go. Here you put your toilet and grey water, and you can wash your hands on other side and get the clean drinking water over there, and it's all free. And there's a lot of these like everywhere in Norway, and usually toilets next to them, so it's like luxury. They don't have that many countries. Norway has a lot of like these really tiny cities or towns, villages actually, which is building whole new modern buildings, and even like many floor buildings. And other countrysides like these are dying, exactly like in Finland or somewhere. But here, I just checked that my mic is on, that I don't chipper all by myself. But yeah, it's just strange to me that Norway is living and growing on the countryside, not only the cities like the capital Oslo. That's just strange to me, because in Finland every little town and Sweden I think dies, and everybody just moves to the capital area, Helsinki and Espoo and Vantaa and all of that Kerava shit. So nice Norway doing the things right. And the free 24 toilets are like your home toilet, totally warm, free, full of paper and everything. And there's a lot of those, and nobody messes them up. You Norwegian people are awesome. We used to have that spar when I was young in Finland, like 30 years ago or 20 or something, and it's haven't changed nothing at all. It's like almost identical that it has been like 20 years. It hasn't got modern or anything. It's cute. And this is a two-way street. That's Norway. We are next to the like sinking town, and we camp here, even that it's just next to the road, but this road doesn't have traffic at this hour, I don't know, in the morning. And it was a fight to get it like steady, but it's now almost perfect. And it's right there. My big brother is going free diving over there. It's 12 meters, the deepest point, so it's easy peasy for him. For me, maybe morning supporting with the dog or something. And yeah, this is awesome place. Not like the most touristic place, I think. There is a ferry like not too far over here, and some hotel, but nothing else. And I was like getting heart attack that there wasn't any signal on the phone, but my big brother restarted the phone and got 4G, so there's internet connection. So I can spend the night here and no need to go upper. I just climb over here and I'm out of breath. My dog doesn't care, it's just like easy peasy. I think I need to take a spa on that lake. Get clean up my hair or something. Without like chemicals, of course. But it's fucking cold. I need to heat up the Veposto thing on the car, the heater, first. Skinny dipping in Norway glacial waters and we're naked. It's actually pretty warm coming from that water.